A mechanical problem turned deadly Tuesday night when a Jamaica Defense Force soldier was shot and killed along Stevens Lane off Waltham Park Road in St. Andrew. Dead is 24-year-old Private Daniel Crawford of Spalding's Clarendon. Reports are that about 9 p.m., Crawford was traveling with an off-duty police officer in a black BMW motor car when the vehicle reportedly developed mechanical trouble. The men stopped along the roadway and began attending to the vehicle. Further reports indicate that Crawford later received a phone call and indicated he would make a quick drop-off to a female friend nearby. He reportedly exited the vehicle, leaving the officer inside. After several minutes passed without his return, the officer attempted to contact Crawford by phone, but the calls went unanswered. Shortly afterwards, a man allegedly approached the vehicle and told the officer that Crawford was calling him. The officer followed the man toward a premises along Stevens Lane. Upon reaching the premises, the man reportedly signaled the officer to enter the premises. Growing suspicious, the officer refused. The man allegedly grabbed him and attempted to pull him inside, leading to a struggle. During the confrontation, the man reportedly removed a firearm from his waistband and pointed it at the officer. The officer reported hearing what sounded like a clicking noise. The officer then drew his service pistol and fired in the direction of the attacker. The gunman reportedly staggered back into the premises while the officer fled the area. Additional gunshots were reportedly heard as he made his escape. The condition of the gunman remains unknown. Private Daniel Crawford was later found as suffering from gunshot wounds. He was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The off-duty policeman was not seriously injured and is assisting investigators.
The killing of a member of the security forces must be met with a very strong response as we seek to honor his memory with unity and determination. I want to ask Kim and a male known as Diddy, who have been deemed persons of interest in this particular incident, to report to the Hunts Bay CID within 24 hours. Both Kim and Diddy are known to be persons from within the Boynes Road, Kid Lane area.
In a statement, the Jamaica Defense Force expressed sadness over the soldier's death, saying it is, quote, saddened by the passing of Private Daniel Crawford, who died tragically on February 10, 2026. The JDF extended sincere condolences to his family, friends, and loved ones during this time of bereavement, adding, quote, we will remember him. End quote. Police say investigations continue as they work to determine a motive and identify those responsible for the fatal shooting. Stay with Jamaica News Page for more updates on this developing story.